Hello everyone, it's Katie here and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to add a custom ringtone onto your original ringtone. So first off, on this tutorial, we're going to go onto Safari, and this is where mine is. So I'm going to tap on here, and then this is mine. Okay, so we're gonna go onto here, and then we're gonna go on to save onto files. And then we're gonna say on my iPad, and then we're gonna save. So that's part one. Next up we're gonna do is we're gonna go onto GarageBand, and then once you're on this page, you're going to press the plus button that is next to these multiple items. So you're going to press that. So now we're going to go on to audio recorder. Okay, so once you're on this page, you're going to press these multiple shaped rectangles. You're going to press that, and then you'll see this screen. Now I'm going to select the bars that I want, and you can choose as long as you want on these bars, no matter if it's 15, no matter if it's 30 or 20. So I'm going to do mine as 15, as my sound is, because it's only 11 seconds long. So now we're going to press the loop-de-loop here. And now we're going to go on to files and then browse the items from my file. Then I'm going to press this, and then it will pop on here, and then you press that. So now you got that on here. Now we're going to drag this and press it on here. Let's give it a listen. So now that's done. Now we're going to go on to here. Wait until it loads. So now that's all loaded up. Then we're going to share it and press ringtone. So now it's on the ringtone. Now I gotta choose a name for the phone, a ringtone. So this is gonna be Galaxy Bells, because that is the name of the ringtone I'm using, and that is from Samsung. And then I press either of these two, as sound as, use sound as, or okay. So I'm gonna go with use sound as, and then ringtone. And there you go. Let's go on to settings. Now we're going to go on to sounds. And then you have this right here. And there you go. That's how you add your custom made ringtone, not using any of these sounds. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And we'll get back to you next time.